what's you guys' freak levels?
Tell him.
I might kill a bee.
Hey. I'm talking about take the soul from it.
Say Mar.
Mar.
Make sure you ain't boy. Make sure y'all ain't look like me. And with your eyes big. Get to the reveal part, but I'm gonna let you, feel on her real quick. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do the feel test. Okay, wait. God damn! Alright, and once I count down to 1, y'all take y'all blindfolds off.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Oh, eye contact.
Yo, what's going on?
What's up?
All females in this video, for who watching this, I'll let you do what you gotta do. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, they call me Trez, and we back with another freaking banger, you feel me? So look, I'm already here, you know what I'm saying, back at it with another freaking banger, bro. I know it's been like, 5 days now, but I'm still be consistent as hell, you know what I'm saying? We dropping hella bangers this year, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna let y'all introduce y'all to my partners, you feel me, in the back with me. Alright, go ahead and introduce yourself.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Southside, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, all that shit.
You know what I'm saying? Southside child, you know what I'm saying? Keep that for a buck for me. Alright, who I got here on my other.
CC Enrico, man. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Instagram and YouTube, CC Enrico. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That boy is lit right now. So look, hey, he just dropped a video. Go watch his video, CC Enrico. You feel me? Southside child as well. You feel me? Alright, so for sure, we gonna keep it a buck. You feel me? Alright, so look, remind y'all, is it cool if I post this video? So like, comment, subscribe. Alright.
For sure, subscribe by the way.
For sure, you know what I'm saying? Let's get up to 10K. It's 10K family around here. But anyway, so who I got here with?
Man, sexiest nigga on the planet, man. HUNXHO.MAR, sexiest YouTuber alive, shit, if you know.
Alright, for sure. Alright, who I got here with?
Kaylin.
Okay, keep it simple. Alright, so look, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna ask y'all some questions, and then I'm gonna let y'all have like at least 2 or 3 minutes to talk, you feel me? Alright, so where y'all from?
I'm from Chicago, but I was raised in ATL.
Alright, what about you?
I'm from Decatur.
Decatur, east side?
Oh yeah.
Alright, what's up? Alright, for sure. Alright, so I'm gonna ask her a question. Ladies go first. So, what's your type?
It's my type. I mean, I don't really got a type for real. It's just the personality. For sure.
So basically, you take looks over personality?
No,
but like personality over looks, basically.
It gotta equal, you know what I'm saying? You can't be ugly with a good personality. You gotta have a good personality, and you gotta be a little cute.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so what about you, man? Like, what's your type?
Shit, I ain't got no type. As long as she cute, got good teeth and shit, she straight.
Alright.
Personality-wise, I gotta be straight.
Valid. Alright, so you know what I'm saying? And you ain't got no type, do you?
My bad. You say what?
You ain't got no type.
Who you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
I mean, shit. Nah, not really shit. She gotta be cute. Good personality, straight teeth.
Alright, so if she was fat, would you still talk to her?
Oh, fuck no shit.
You don't like no big bone?
Yeah, I mean, fat, a lot need a little meat, it came cold. You know what I'm saying? I like me a little meat. I'll just play it. But nah, hell no. I like me a little. You know what I'm saying? But
Say like you like, bro. Do you like? Okay, I'm gonna say this.
Like you like a good shape, like just
yeah.
Nice decent shape. She can't be big as fuck now. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Type shit.
All right, so for you, I'm gonna like same thing. Like you like a fat nigga, like you like a big ass nigga.
Nah, I like skinny, tall skinny. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Nah, not fat.
No fat.
Nah.
All right, so let me ask
You don't like fat?
Nah.
So what if you fat?
What about fat?
I don't know.
Not the body part, but somewhere else.
I like that.
Oh, okay, though. Yeah, talk your shit, bro. Talk your shit. So, I'm gonna let y'all talk. Alright, I just asked y'all. I just gave you some questions. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all talk. So go ahead and talk for a minute. I'll give y'all 2 minutes.
So what you like to do like on your free time?
Shit, I don't do nothing for real. I just go to school, you know what I'm saying? That's really it. Listen to music. I don't do nothing.
Wait, what's your song? Like, who's your favorite artist?
Probably Herbo.
Okay.
And So what you do in your free time?
Shit, you know, I chill, but I don't really got free time much. You know, I be with the gang. We be working, man, and you don't know. You know what I'm saying? Now you know. We doing YouTube, TikTok, all that junk. You feel me?
Yeah.
What's your ambitions in life?
My ambitions?
Yeah, you know what that mean?
Yeah. I'm trying to graduate, you know what I'm saying? Then start working, get me a little crib, whatever. Then go to college a little later, you know what I'm saying? Get my degree type shit. Stuff like that. You know, I'm trying to be a little psychologist, you know what I'm saying? That's really it.
So, yeah, shit. I like to hear that.
What's your ambitions? You know, Mr. YouTuber.
Oh shit, she
talking her shit back.
I mean, shit, really? Shit. I want to do real estate. So my dad, he already do that shit. So I'm on that shit. But I do YouTube, TikTok, all that junk. I might go to college. It depends if I make shit. But like 19, 20, shit. I know me and the gang gonna be up.
So wait, hold on. Wait. So basically, that hustle already been in you. Your dad already set that hustle tone.
Yeah,
basically.
Really.
Okay.
So shit. And I don't want to be working for somebody else. I want for us to be working for us, man. You feel me? I'm saying.
Alright, so what is like, I'm gonna give y'all a question. What dream vacation would you like, basically, for you? What dream vacation would you take up?
I wanna go to the Maldives, I think that's what it's called.
What the fuck?
It's like an island.
It's
a private.
It's fine.
Yeah, God, it's like kind of like Bora Bora, but it's like a private island. They got private villas and shit. That shit fire.
So basically, you want to drink coconuts and shit like that?
Yeah. Coconut tree. You know what I'm saying?
Coconuts.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, coconuts.
Alright, so for you, what dream vacation would you take her?
Man, I go to Bora Bora, bro. I never been that shit, but once I get my money right, nigga, I'm God we going here.
Oh God?
Yes.
Alright. Y'all gonna match our outfits and shit like that? Y'all gonna take pics?
Yeah.
Okay, cute shit. Alright.
Guys, it's freak levels. 1 through 10.
My shit, I ain't got no level. My shit off the scale.
Oh God. I'm telling you.
I might kill a bit.
Hey.
I'm talking about take the soul from it.
Kill a bit, nigga. I like that eye contact too, like when you give me that eye contact and I'm just in that shit.
Oh God.
You feel me?
Shit different.
I like that shit.
Okay, so look.
Excuse me.
Alright, so look, I'm gonna ask you this. So, what is your favorite position? I ain't gonna start with you. I'm gonna start with Omar.
My favorite position is missionary. Shit, cause missionary, you gotta have her legs up in the sky. You gotta. Okay, man. Okay, you gotta do it, man.
Alright. So, what about you? What about you, guys?
Yeah, missionary too.
Somebody like you
I feel like when they in there, like it be deep. You know what I'm saying? That should be.
My boy Mark. Do you like to take control or you like the girl when she take control? Like
Well, shit, look. So I like taking control, but when she, but it's like I like taking control, but I want her to take a little control too on some shit, cause.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying? I want to be, but I might kid a bit, but still I want her to be. I don't want to just do too much. I want her to be on me too. You feel me?
So just right.
Right, yeah, right. You feel me?
What about you? Do you like for a dude to take control or you like to take more control?
No, I like when a dude take control. I ain't gonna lie. But you know, I'm gonna play my part. You know what I'm saying?
You gonna play your part?
I'm gonna do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
But I like when he like aggressive type shit. You know?
So you want no soft ass nigga?
Nah.
Okay, so let me ask you this. You like a hood nigga or an athlete nigga?
Nah, I prefer hood. I don't really like athletes for real. I don't like athletes.
Hold on. What if you? No. What if you an athlete right here? What if you got your athlete?
I mean, if his personality good and he cute, then you know.
Alright, talk your shit.
So she could work. She could work with it basically.
Right.
She compromise.
Nah, I give it a 10.
10.
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
Alright, Omar, what would you rate her voice in?
I give it a 9.1.
Damn.
0.1.
9.1.
Okay, 0.1.
Damn, she might have to take your fucking point down there.
Yeah, I give him now 8.5 now.
Oh,
Yeah, I give you a 7.5.
Yeah, I give you a 0.
Ooh.
I give you a negative 0.
Shit, alright.
I'm just fucking with you, bro.
Alright.
Wait. So based off his voice, could it turn you on? Let's
Yeah,
set the tone.
yeah.
Lower your tone.
Shit, alright.
Okay, what about you?
I mean,
Your voice turn you on?
shit, she gotta talk more. She wanna talk some more. Like, say something.
Say what?
Just talk to me.
Talk to you about
Say Mark.
more.
Alright, so look, alright, my last question of the day, last question, and then we're gonna take the blindfolds off. Alright, what's your worst body, bro?
You can be real.
I mean,
Let's be real.
Hey, it ain't no mess no more. Hey, it ain't no she said let's be real. That's when y'all know.
keep it a buck. I mean, a buck.
What you mean? Like, how could I say this though?
I'm saying like,
Like-
just like it
Go all out.
Describe it.
Yeah, no, just
No,
No.
don't go into detail, but just say like what was your worst body though?
When I first lost my virginity, my first body was horrible. Oh God, it's horrible.
It was stank.
What? That's nigga, no.
Like what you mean?
Why was it horrible?
Cause like nigga, I was a virgin and that bitch, she was taking the control, nigga. She was doing all the work, nigga. I was just,
Wait, so look, I got a question. How old is
nigga, I was.
back then? Back then.
So when I was like, it was like, so look, when I was in 8th grade, nigga.
Oh, okay.
When I was in 8th grade, but I was like 8th grade summer, going to 9th type
That shit
shit.
got a story.
So I was like, no, I didn't, nigga. I lost my shit 8th grade summer, going to 9th grade, bro. So look, it was my sister friend, bro. My sister friend was a junior, and I was gonna be a 9th grader, bro. Or if she was an upcoming junior, I was gonna be an upcoming 9th grader. So boom, I guess she just started. She was like, she liked me and all that extra shit. So I guess when my sister left, bro, shit happened, bro.
If you know, you know.
That bit wasn't good though.
No, nigga. Marion, if you watching this, bro, rock out Marion, you should know. Marion.
Why would he know?
Cause, bro, he
watched?
You know, it was a whole little.
What you
everything.
mean?
My
What y'all
sister-
took turns?
My sister was mad, nigga. It was her friend, gang.
I'm dead. Okay.
Alright, so what about you?
My twin brother.
No, I get it.
Alright, what was your worst body, Kevin?
Oh, that's my virginity. Facts. That shit was horrible.
Damn,
That shit
like both
hurt.
y'all lost y'all virginity.
No, it's only cause that shit hurt it. Oh God,
What?
that hurt like fuck. Yes. When girls lose their virginity, that shit hurt.
So you didn't enjoy?
No, I was in pain. Shit.
Yeah.
Oh, so he gave that motherfucker.
Like what?
Keep it.
I'm gonna say this. Was it? No, like was it not good or was it like?
Yeah.
Too big? Don't ever try me. I can take wherever. It's hurting because it's my first time. You know what I'm saying?
You can take
Don't
whatever.
ever try me.
So basically he had a like a
It was decent size, average, I guess.
damn.
Average.
So the nigga was not doing what he was doing basically.
Nah.
He wasn't playing his part.
Nah.
That's what I had to step
I was
in. That's what I'm
in
here for. You play my
For sure.
But anyway,
Feel on her real quick. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do the feel test. Okay. Wait. God damn. Hold up.
Who phoned up?
Oh, that's it. Her phone. I'm concerned about the phone then. I'll guide you, alright, Kay? So I'm gonna let me see your hand. You know what I'm saying? Alright, this is his hand. You know what I'm saying?
This his hand?
Yeah, that's his hand. Alright, so let me show, show the camera, you know what I'm saying? Show all the way. No, that's cute shit, shit. Alright. So, go ahead and take control. Not take control, but, see what you see.
Jumbo. Oh, you going in there?
Okay.
I feel these niggas standing up, bro.
No. Alright, okay.
Okay, cool. Start it off, shoulder. Shoulder. There you go. Take your time.
She got a nice little round little titties, nice little booties. Ooh.
Booty? What?
Boobies, nigga.
Oh.
Nice soft, you know what I'm saying? Nice shit. These are legs. Where your face at?
Damn, man.
Skin soft.
Oh my god.
Hey, you straight.
T-shirts, dude.
You know what I'm saying?
Shit, okay.
Let me make sure you ain't butt. Make sure your ass look like me. And with your eyes big.
Hell no.
Alright, so look, you know what I'm saying? We just got done with, I'll let y'all do the field test and whatnot. So, this is when we get down to the
Business?
Yeah, I get down to the business now, you know what I'm saying? Y'all ready? You ready?
Hell yeah.
Sure.
Alright, so look, I'm gonna get my gang. I'll get my Rico gonna guide you to the right. Southside Child gonna guide you to the left, Mar. Alright, so look.
Okay, turn this way.
You know what I'm saying?
Turn it. There you go.
Alright. So, I'm gonna count down to 1, alright? Alright, and once I count down to 1, y'all take y'all blindfolds off. Alright. But don't take it fully off. I'm gonna let y'all get yourself straightened up real quick, alright? So you still like when I count down to 1, that's when you know what I'm saying. 3,
2,
hold on. 3,
2.
Alright, then hold on. 3, 2. Alright, hold up. Alright, y'all can take whatever y'all got on. And then when I say 1, y'all can turn around. I wanna get y'all face straightened up.
3.
Alright. Y'all good? Alright, 2. Alright, let me get my gun right here. Come on. We're gonna say it all together, alright?
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year. Oh, eye contact, man.
Yo, what's going on?
What's up?
She do got a nice smell though. I like your smell.
Thank you.
I'm gonna start with her, ladies go first, respectfully. Alright, so, what would you rate them?
It's giving a 9.
9. Alright, you know what I'm saying? You like a nigga here, you like the earrings, you know what I'm saying? You like the hair, what it's giving right now?
Yeah, everything is given.
Everything? Okay, everything.
About that. 8.
8, okay.
Why you give her an 8 though?
But she gave me a 9. She probably give me a 10.
I'm staying at 9. 9.
9.
Cause you gave me
I'll give
a
you a 9.
Okay.
8.9.
Ooh.
Okay. 9.1.
9.1. A 9.0. Shit.
Okay, it's really a 10 for real. I just wasn't trying to do too much.
Oh shit, still a 9.
Spicy.
Oh, I was just playing anyway, so yeah.
Oh shit, okay. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all, I got it. But alright, so look. You know what I'm saying? It's giving what it's giving. Alright, so bet. Alright, so we're gonna play a game, you feel me? It's a choose or dare game. Alright, so who choose? And I'm gonna give y'all 2 dares. Alright? That's cool?
I bet. Let's do it.
Alright, so I'm gonna start with you, Omar. Choose or dare?
Truth.
Truth? Alright, bet. So, Is it true you think she attractive?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Alright.
Truth or dare?
True.
Is it true that you like all his piercings?
Yes.
Alright.
Alright. So, y'all. Nah, it's cool. Alright, y'all got one. Y'all got one more truth. Alright, so look. Choose a dare.
Truth.
Truth. Alright, is it true that your favorite position is a missionary?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, your turn. Truth or dare?
True.
I like that eye contact.
Yeah.
How much you like that eye contact?
3 weeks.
10 out of 10. I like it. It turned me on.
Wait, what? Eye contact.
Yeah.
Y'all got 2 dares. So, y'all ready?
Yeah, for sure.
Alright. I'm just,
Dare?
Dare? Alright, so I dare you give her a hickey.
You for a hickey, bro? Give her a hickey, bro? Go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
Alright.
Okay, dear.
Yeah. Alright, so I dare you kiss his neck 3 times.
Kiss what?
Kiss his neck 3 times. I got one more dare. Alright. I'm gonna start with you, Omar. I dare you find a hot spot.
Yeah. Oh God, I was thinking the same thing.
Why you looking like that, man? Little hot spot. Let me see. Shit. What is name a couple hot spots? Her neck. I need a kiss.
I was gonna make that as shit. Alright, that was smooth. That's there. So, this for you, alright? So, for all females in this video, for who watching this, I'll let you do what you gotta do. Pick any dare you wanna do. We not even gonna look. So, you know what I'm saying? So, you do what you gotta do. I give you that last dare. Huh?
Y'all might need to get out the car.
Shit.
Why are you looking at me like that, man?
Because.
Give me a kiss.
She said, "Come here, bitch."
It's her dare, so she's taking control. You better listen, bro.
Shit, I'ma just listen to you. You just go crazy.
Go ahead, run out 10K this year. Everybody finna eat this shit.
They call you what?
Huh?
They call me.
They call him shit.
Y'all wanna end it with a banger? One last kiss?
One last kiss to test the brakes. You feel me?
Oh!